Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically download fonts and add it to CapCut PC. So I'm just going to download this font, select the file and just double click on it and press install. And you're going to want to restart CapCut, so close that first and open CapCut again. Oops. There we go. Then open up any project. Remember the font as well. Go to text, add in your default text. I'm just going to delete these. Go to font and close presets. And as you can see under system fonts, you'll find your font. So my one is called Plant, so here it is. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!